Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Made Easy. I am Dr. Rashmi Gupta. Today I will take very important ray diagram that is of compound microscope. In class 12, optical instruments is considered to be a very important topic. Compound microscope is an instrument used to see tiny object. And compound microscope consists of two lenses. One is objective and other one is eyepiece. Now you can see here the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. So today I will tell you how to make a simple ray diagram of compound microscope. So let's begin. Ray diagram. Principal axis, convex lens. This lens is objective with optical center O, focal length FO. Object AB placed beyond focus point of the objective. Another lens eyepiece of more focal length in comparison to the objective. Optical center of the eyepiece is E. Eyepiece is in front of the eye. So, compound microscope consists of two lenses, one objective, other eyepiece. Now, the object AB is in front of objective lens, beyond the focus. So, see, I am taking only two rays, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis and another ray which is passing through the focus. Now here you have observed that I made the image first and make the rays later on. That's a trick. Okay. Again, this image is formed between the focus point of the eyepiece and the optical center of eye. So it will form virtual enlarged image on the same side of the object. Again I have made the image well before. Then make the rays. This is again a good trick. Now let's make the rays. The ray one which is parallel to the principal axis and the ray which is passing through the optical center. I'll make slightly diverging sort of so that finally they will meet on the same side of the object. The final image here is formed at least distance of distinct vision. This arrangement is called compound microscope when it is formed the image at least distance of distinct vision. So this way you can make a very simple diagram for the compound microscope. This distance marked as a VO, the distance of the object as UO. Same way you can mark UE and this is nothing but VE. Because it is on the left hand side, we will write negative sign. And these representation are useful in writing expression for the magnification of compound microscope, which is VO over UO 1 plus D by FE. Right? Anytime you can write magnification as MO into ME. Here the second lens, the lens eyepiece, acts as an simple microscope. Simple microscope has the magnification 1 plus D by FE. Remember this important condition, the FO should be less than FE. So here you can make a simple diagram of compound microscope. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. I post video every Thursday covering important topics of class 11th and 12th. Comment the topics below you wish to study. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.